Welcome to Knowledge is Power. The automobile has become a staple of modern life, enabling people to travel more quickly and efficiently than ever before. But the road to the modern automobile was a long and complex one, spanning centuries of human innovation and ingenuity. In this video, we'll explore the history of the automobile, from its earliest roots to the present day. Early history of the automobile. The idea of self-propelled vehicle can be traced back to the 15th century, when Leonardo da Vinci designed a series of self-propelled carts powered by springs. But it wasn't until the 18th century that the first true automobiles began to emerge. In 1769, French inventor Nicolas Joseph Cugnot built a steam-powered vehicle that could travel at a top speed of 2.5 miles per hour. This was followed in the 1830s and 1840s by a series of steam-powered vehicles designed for personal transportation, including the steam carriage built by English inventor Walter Hancock in 1838. But it was the internal combustion engine that truly revolutionized the automobile. In 1860, Belgian inventor Jean-Joseph Etienne Lenoir built the first successful internal combustion engine, which ran on illuminating gas. The first gasoline-powered internal combustion engine was built by German inventor Nicolas Otto in 1876, paving the way for the modern automobile. The birth of the automobile industry. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the birth of the automobile industry as we know it today. In 1885, German inventor Carl Benz built the first practical gasoline-powered automobile, which he called the Benz Patent Motorwagen. The following year, Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach built the first automobile to use a carburetor, which allowed the engine to mix fuel and air more efficiently. In the United States, the automobile industry got its start in the late 1800s, with companies like Oldsmobile and Buick producing some of the first commercially successful automobiles. In 1908, American inventor Henry Ford introduced the Model T, which revolutionized the automobile industry with its affordable price and mass production techniques. The rise of the modern automobile. Throughout the 20th century, the automobile continued to evolve and improve, with advances in technology and design making cars safer, faster, and more fuel efficient. The introduction of the electric starter in 1912 made it easier for drivers to start their cars, while the development of hydraulic brakes in the 1920s made cars safer and easier to stop. The 1950s and 1960s saw the rise of muscle cars, with companies like Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge producing powerful vehicles that were popular with young drivers. In the 1970s, the oil crisis led to a renewed focus on fuel efficiency, with smaller, more efficient cars becoming more popular. In recent years, the automobile industry has continued to evolve, with advances in technology like hybrid and electric vehicles changing the way we think about cars. Self-driving cars are also becoming more common, with companies like Tesla and Google investing heavily in autonomous driving technology. Like and subscribe. So the conclusion, the history of the automobile is a long and complex one, spanning centuries of human innovation and ingenuity. From the earliest self-propelled carts to the modern electric and hybrid vehicles of today, the automobile has come a long way. As technology continues to evolve, it's clear that the automobile will continue to play a major role in our lives, enabling us to travel faster, further, and more efficiently than ever before.